Hello there everyone, my name is Nasrallo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video really want to discuss quickly Bitcoin, but then I want to move to Ethereum and talk to you about the merge that is about to happen and what is it gonna actually mean for the Ethereum price and what we can expect from it and how are the things actually changing for Ethereum right now and how it's becoming more than an altcoin. So all of that, if you're interested in all of that, then stay around till the end as always, and please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I'm making new upload, because these videos are important to watch as they come out and from the beginning and until the end. And as always, also down in the description of this video there is also a link to my free Telegram channel which you can join. It's a huge trading community. We discuss different things, and oftentimes when there's something important happening in the market, I often post in Telegram much faster than on YouTube. So, and without any further ado, let's just jump right into Ethereum. Well, first Bitcoin and then Ethereum. Okay, so Bitcoin, and well, as I've told you already in the previous videos, and if you haven't seen the previous videos and if you haven't watched them from the beginning and until the end, then well, it's on you. So those of you who listened to me carefully have taken this short trade, which was beautiful, a quick scalp trade, and we are still juggling along and doing really nothing for our chart. So, and what are we waiting for? And that's right, we are waiting for the inflation report on the 27th of May, which is going to be when? This Friday. So, and I think that this is going to decide the next direction for Bitcoin, and this is when I'm going to keep you updated. Jesus Christ, I almost dropped my phone. So, and that's when I'm going to keep you updated whether I'm going to long Bitcoin or am I going to short Bitcoin, and what I'm going to be doing in general. Will I sell all my Bitcoin, etc. So all of that is coming on the 27th, and I'm going to keep you updated. So subscribe right now. So nothing interesting in Bitcoin currently. We're still in this anticipation phase, which is quite great. I mean, look at how spot on it is. And I mean, of course, you can trade it up and down and up and down, these kinds of quick trades with small expectations, super small, tiny stop losses, short here, long here, short here, long, short, etc. So if you're so inclined to do some kind of trades like these, then you can do it over on Bybit. With my link, you'll get 0% maker fees for 30 days, and also up to $4,100 of free money in the way of a deposit bonus on top of your initial deposit, but only if you're gonna use my exclusive link down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, and enjoy those amazing bonuses. So I think that that's it about Bitcoin. We've discussed this many times before. Now let's go to Ethereum USDT and let's take a look at it. So if we're gonna see the bigger time frame, just some of the most important levels. Let's go to weekly. Some of the most important levels that I have right here are actually the most important one currently for us is about $1,700, which had been, you know, very important right here. It's very obvious. So we came very close to it, but we didn't retest it technically just yet. And the big question is, you know, is Ethereum gonna suffer from the same kind of a correction that we've seen, you know, in this area in 2018 after this all-time high here? It went down all the way like 95%. And the question is this going to happen? And this is what I'm going to try to answer in this video, and the answer is most likely not, but let's get to it, and I'll explain exactly why that is. Because again, our previous all-time high was about $1,500, which is in of itself also a very big psychological level, but we have to understand what's coming for Ethereum, and there is big risk in Ethereum right now, which could either take it really low and we're going to see a huge correction, or it could actually reverse the price, lose the correlation with Bitcoin, and show us really insane returns very fast. And that is going to have everything to do with the merge. So as you know, that Ethereum being an altcoin, one of the biggest altcoin is proof of work currently. So there is proof of work and then there is proof of stake. Proof of work is, in simple layman terms, when mining is happening and the validation of transactions is happening through traditional mining using hardware, computers, processors, etc. So a lot of electricity, a lot of pollution, supposedly, a lot of it's bad for environment, and it's not very efficient and very expensive, etc. So, and that's what it currently is, just like Bitcoin. And what they want to do now is what they want to move it to proof of stake. stake. So proof of stake is not using any computer power. Basically, it's using the existing tokens that are being staked that are used to validate transactions. So it's, you know, very, very environmentally friendly and a lot more efficient. So, and even that thought already would, you know, say that if Ethereum succeeds in doing this, moving to proof of stake, this could take the price to about $10,000 potentially, because it could explode. And we're gonna take a look at the chart, the relation between Ethereum and Bitcoin, which is very interesting as well. So yeah, here, as I already said, that sometime in the first half of 2022, which is already the first half, and they keep prolonging this and delaying this, because again, remember, the move to proof of stake is not really a simple job. So for that reason, there has been a lot of delays. But nonetheless, Ethereum plans to transition its entire network to different consensus mechanism, which is proof of stake, which, as I just said, which promises, and this is important, will use 99% less energy and allow the network to finally scale and potentially help it reach 100,000 transactions per second. So that's what I said, this is huge for Ethereum. But now the question is, what is happening? Are they actually doing it? And the answer is yes. And currently, here is the most important part right here, that currently they are testing it. They're going to be testing it. They're going to be merging their Ropsten testnet. Ropsten is basically the testnet of Ethereum, and they will be merging this Ropsten testnet on June 8th. And this, guys and girls, is going to be the most important moment, because if we're gonna see that everything goes smoothly and everything is nice, etc., then, as the co-founder already has said, that he really wants to move the whole Ethereum to POS, proof of stake, already in August of this year. But it's going to depend on the success of Ropsten testnet merging on the June 8th. So this is, mark this in your calendars, and we have to really watch this, because if there's going to be issues and problems and downtimes and breakage, leakage, whatever, and in that instance, it's going to send the price of Ethereum down, really down, in my personal opinion, because a lot of people are going to be disappointed, because this is the most anticipated moment in Ethereum since like 2020, probably, when they've started thinking about all this stuff. So it's been there for a few years now. So there is huge anticipation for June 8th, and it's not going to probably affect the whole crypto market, but it still is going to have an effect on the general outlook of the crypto in general. So for that reason, of course, if it's not going to work, it's going to be a lot of issues. It's going to be delayed again, so it's going to be very negative, and certainly it's going to send the price of Ethereum down. But let's talk about the scenario that, you know, some hopium. Let me know in the comments if you want some hopium right now. And by the way, if you've left a like on this video, thank you very much for your support. I'm here, Mr. Spot On, in Monaco, creating this content for you guys and girls, so you're always updated. And all I'm asking is for a like. It's a lot easier to like the video than to actually create these every single day for you for free. And I've even turned off monetization on my channel so that you can watch my videos without any interruption. All I'm asking for is a like and a comment down in the comment section. So currently, let's take a look at some hopium scenarios. So if this is going to happen, if they're going to actually move to proof of stake and actually, because again, already Ethereum itself is already considered to be a more popular network than Bitcoin. It's used for many things. It's more agile, so to speak, and it's actually more usable for NFTs, metaverse. I mean, its direct competitor is Solana, but there's a lot of people are saying that Ethereum is still much better. So, I mean, and now it's moving to proof of stake. It actually could reclaim the throne at some point, and that's what a lot of people are saying. It's very difficult for me to agree with it or disagree with it, but if we're gonna take a look at a very interesting chart, which is Ethereum Bitcoin, then we're gonna see what it all looks like in the monthly chart. And this is important. This is, again, the purple lines are the halving cycles, the moments of halving. And we can see here, if we look at it precisely, then we're going to see that we are currently in an uptrend, because we have higher lows constantly in this cycle, and currently, well, theoretically in this cycle as well. And this is what this stands for, is the relation between Bitcoin and Ethereum. And this relation is actually climbing. So Ethereum is claiming more and more of the market for itself and is taking that market from Bitcoin statistically. So could it be that at some point we're gonna see something as crazy as, you know, maybe Bitcoin and Ethereum coming to 1-to-1? So one Ethereum is going to be, you know, equal to one Bitcoin in terms of the value. Well, this is a huge, you know, guess. Your guess is as good as mine. But as we can see, currently we're seeing an uptrend. We still have to see, you know, a reclaim of this higher high, because we've had, you know, this high, then this high, and then in this instance, it all looks like an uptrend, but still we have to see a higher high here. And I'm thinking that if this current Ethereum testnet is going to be successful with the merge to POS, we could at some point in the near future, in the coming year or two, potentially see this higher high right here and potentially go far past, you know, 0.22 Bitcoin per one Ethereum, and potentially could come maybe to 0.5%, 0.5 Bitcoin per one Ethereum. So that would be very, very interesting. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And remember, June 8th is the most important time right now for Ethereum, which could send the price actually. Let's go to the Ethereum USD T. And we're gonna see it right here that we are potentially, in my honest, humble opinion, that if the testnet is going to be successful, then this is going to be the bottom for Ethereum for sure. So for that reason, if you're betting on the fact that this is going to be a successful launch and the move to proof of stake, again, not financial advice, and none of my videos are financial advice, just my personal opinion, because I'm accumulating a lot of Ethereum just like Bitcoin. So if it's going to be successful, I'm going to buy a lot of Ethereum here, because we might as well go against all the current market situation. And yes, it would be difficult because the money printer is off, the inflation is high, and the Fed is unpredictable, etc. So there might be some issues to come along with, you know, a potential race to all-time high in Ethereum. But at the same time, we have to understand that this could be a huge catalyst event, at least for Ethereum. So for that reason, if we're gonna see, you know, a negative impact, and then the whole June there's gonna be issues, etc. in the network itself, then I would easily see retest of the previous all-time high, so all the way down to at least $1,500, and breaking of this support of $1,700. But I think if we break $1,700, we might as well go much lower as well and see a huge correction in Ethereum, just because, again, a lot of people are going to pull out of it simply because they were expecting a successful launch of POS for Ethereum. And remember, if you want to become one of my full-time students at my certified and accredited trading learning programs, a 5 months long trading learning experience, which teaches you everything from active trading to scalp trading, day trading, as well as long-term investing and portfolio building in the world of stocks, as a world of crypto. So you'll learn everything, and you will be able to be a long-term investor as well as an active trader, and understand how both worlds work, how to keep proper trading statistics, how to write trading algorithms, which, you know, you cannot really survive without in the world of trading. Even if you're a good trader, you need to know how to keep proper trading statistics and a proper trading algorithm, how to analyze your statistics, and etc., and how to actually understand both worlds in the world of investing as well as trading, and how to combine long-term investing strategies with trading, and how can you actually intertwine them to have an edge over other traders, and how to do proper backtesting, not this bullcrap indicator trading backtesting, but proper backtesting, which is called proper practice stages with statistics and all that good stuff. And you want to learn trading from A to Z, then click the link down in the description or in the pinned comment, or go to tomskralo.com directly and use the code 20OFF, save some money on my education, which you can actually later use for trading and become a professional trader and as successful as Tom Skralo. All right, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.